Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Tinder and block a user on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal Tinder profile page where you can access various account settings and preferences. Once you're on your profile page, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents your settings menu. Tap on this gear icon to access all of your Tinder account settings and configuration options. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Keep scrolling until you find an option labeled Block Contacts. This feature allows you to manage which users you've blocked and also gives you the ability to block new contacts if needed. Go ahead and tap on Block Contacts to open this section. This is where Tinder gives you control over your blocked users list and lets you add new people to block if you want to prevent them from seeing your profile or contacting you. To block a new contact, simply tap on a contact from the list that appears. This will select the person you want to block and prepare the system to restrict their access to your profile. After selecting the contact, you'll see an option that says Block Contact. Tap on this button to confirm that you want to block this specific user. This action will prevent them from viewing your profile or sending you messages on Tinder. Next, tap on Block Contacts once more. This will refresh the list and show you all the contacts you've blocked, giving you a comprehensive view of everyone who's currently restricted from interacting with you on the platform. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see a tab labeled Blocked. Tap on this tab to switch your view specifically to your blocked contacts list. This section displays everyone you've blocked and gives you easy access to manage these restrictions. Here you'll see all your blocked contacts displayed with their details. If you want to unblock someone, simply locate their name in the list and tap the unblock button beside their details. This will immediately remove the block and allow that person to see your profile and contact you again on Tinder. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to block and unblock users on Tinder, giving you full control over who can interact with your profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.